Jerry and Sonya from Montana. They came up and visited me here. I met them last season when I was here last winter, and they came back and they have a different trailer with them this time, and they made it. And I can't wait to show it to you.
All right, well, come on in. I'll show you the inside first.
I just love it.
So this is our sweet little home from home.
Oh my gosh. And you guys made this
We built
from
it
scratch.
From scratch, yes, we did. This is the kitchen.
I love it.
This is our dish pan. And this is our little bitty faucet.
It's adorable.
I think it's on. No, the pump's not on. But anyway, that's our faucet. Trash is in there. We have water. Our water is underneath here.
Okay.
We have a 20-gallon tank, which is just enough for us. Jerry built the table.
Love your spice rack.
Yeah, I saw that in a secondhand store and I had to have it.
Now tell me about this stove.
Where did we get this stove?
That stove might have come in the Aljo that we made this out of. This was an old Aljo that was
A 53, a 58 or something.
that was not salvageable. We were going to pull the skins off of it and fix it up, but every time I pulled more plywood off or veneer off, it was more rotten wood inside, and it ended up we just demoed the whole thing, tipped it off the frame, and took it to the dump, and built this on the frame in its place.
Wow.
But that stove was salvaged from it. We had some old windows that came from it, but they got repurposed before we built this somewhere else, and so we had to score these windows on like Craigslist or somewhere.
I really love the storage that you built under the bed, and I love that you used leathers from old riding reins to make the handles.
And I didn't actually build the drawers, I built the cabinet. The drawers came out of an Airstream, so they've got the little, you gotta lift them and then pull them.
Oh, nice. So they don't come flying
They
out.
don't come flying open. Yeah, you can't just pull them straight up, but once you lift them, they come out.
That's fabulous.
I kind of like my bed.
I love the bed too.
My
You
bed.
cut a little hole out for your
Yeah.
legs, and you have a shelf.
We decided that we both didn't need to sleep next to each other or in the same plane. So
Yeah.
we sleep like this.
That's awesome. You can see each other while you're
Yeah,
talking.
and we both have a reading light. This trailer has it's
I love
minimal.
the little shelf.
It's minimal in pretty much everything. We only have, I think, 3 lights in here, and one of them's battery operated.
And you guys were telling me that you recently sold everything.
We did.
And
we
how
sold-
does that feel?
Oh, getting rid of stuff always feels good.
I love your bookshelf here, and you've got a really cool picture. And oh my gosh! And I love this cabinet here. Your closet, you called it.
It's our closet.
That's awesome.
It also holds choke cherry juice. But
And I love the mirror on the door.
You like the mirror?
That is brilliant.
It's not tilted out far enough to really be of any use.
I
Doesn't
think
that
it's.
create some
I
kind of a
think
fifth
it's-
dimension when you take a picture into a mirror?
Yeah, it's really cool. And I love how you decorated the outside with old newspapers.
And old hardware.
You repurposed everything.
Yeah.
I absolutely love it. And you've
And this
got.
was a little desk drawer. We put that there.
And I love how you figured out how to keep.
Restore.
Yeah, this is how we keep the drawers from opening up.
I love it. And this is your battery under
Yeah,
here.
it's under there.
And you got a full-size refrigerator. And I also love your ceiling. That is like my favorite scene from my summer in the forest. I just really love what you guys did. And oh wow!
That in there, yeah.
So you opened that out.
We can open it a little bit.
And you can, so when the bikes are gone, you can eat outside and cook outside.
We've got the stove and the shelves. And
That is brilliant.
We were set up for more than just overnight. We'd have the bicycles off, we'd have this kitchen hooked up.
and we have solar.
That's awesome.
We have a little solar panel, so we're kind of self-sufficient in that respect.
That's wonderful. And you guys are leaving tomorrow, but you'll be back in January.
Yep.
I'm looking forward to your return. Poppy! Poppy! You're such a good boy. Oh my gosh. And he lives here with them. And what a beautiful, amazing home that you built for yourself. Thanks, guys. That was so fun. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.